What the hell are you doing?
What?
Why are you at this piece of shit?
Because I'm cool like that.
Oh, really? What do you need off this thing?
Fucking lights?
The thing's dead.
You got a fucking problem? How the fuck you doing this?
Where do you even put this?
My lawn tractor.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Should have brought a 10 mil.
Damn. Too bad this motor went. Motor's still good, but the turbo's gone. What a nice car.
Fucking mosquitoes everywhere.
Yeah, it's typical. Car caught fire, too.
It did?
Yep.
Why?
It's a turbo. See all this? That's all fire.
That's pretty cool. Fucking weeds. Fuck you.
And it's probably taken in that seat, too.
Hey, did this bolt?
Oh, and these are heated seats, too.
Are they?
Yeah.
It's fucking awesome. Fucking heated seats in the fucking winter with a lawn tractor. Fucking right.
That's the way to do it. Luxury.
Fuck do you think these... Dude, these lights are impossible to take off.
I'll take a look.
Just rip out everything. There you go. That's one horn. Fucking rip the wire off. Do that later on. Now for the second one. Fucking bitch.
Mosquitoes everywhere back here.
There you go. See? It's fucking paper. It's not even plastic.
No, it's fiberglass.
No, it's paper.
No, it's fiberglass.
Fucking cheap fiberglass.
It doesn't need to be that strong.
Fuck the Swedish invent.
Now, he's gonna be getting this seat out. I don't know how, but he apparently is.
You know what? Keep the connectors for this thing.